Oh, I'm excited. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I am doing an unboxing of something. Before we get anything, let's carefully open the package. That's always so freaking satisfying, I swear. If you couldn't already tell by the title, I'm unboxing a brand new Apple Watch. I've had the non-Series 1, basically the very first edition, since the beginning. I've had this one for about 3 years now. I wouldn't have imagined of getting this. Oh my god, it feels so good. Some of you may be asking why I'm not waiting until this year's release. Mainly because it might go up in price tag. Also just because I needed the new one. This one is cracked. It's destroyed. I just needed the new one. And this one, Apple Watch Series 3 GPS Nike Plus Edition, 38mm. I did not go with the cellular. Mainly because who needs that bullcrap? I don't want to be spending the extra money a month. And this just looks gorgeous. Already just looking at the box. Let's get this out of the way. And there should be a pull tab, like all Apple products. If there's not, there's no problemo. We still got a knife somewhere in this room. Let's get a little dirty. I just don't want to damage the actual box because I save all my Apple boxes. And if you know me personally, like in person, not YouTube, maybe YouTube, but anyways, if you know me personally, you know I am the biggest Apple freak you will ever meet in your entire life. I am actually not stressing that enough. I've basically live and breathe in the world of Apple and iCloud and everything. Yes, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be very fun. Oh, I'm excited. I got so excited for the reveal, I completely forgot it said designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. Also, the reason I got the Nike version is because I haven't been that motivated lately. I need to get out, exercise more, and this one is just special to me. First of all, it's got a regular documentation and our smaller wristband because I will need that because I have wrists that literally look like little twigs, like a little... And oh my god, I cannot keep staring at this thing. I need to touch it. Oh. I cannot believe I'm holding this in my hand right now. Okay, before we get into it, let me actually dive a little bit deeper. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I cannot stress you enough. Okay, so we basically just got our standard 5-watt Apple adapter that includes in every single goddamn Apple product that ever existed. I have at least a million of these floating around, and I'm probably gonna lose them. Guess what? I have. And we got our standard Apple Watch charging brick, wireless thing, magnetic charging, you know what I'm calling it. Basically, I already have one of these for this. I'm not really going to open this until I actually desperately need it. Let me put this back and just stare at it. The one thing about this Apple Watch, the one thing about this too, is that it has a much faster processor in it than this. It's a dual-core processor. It's at least 1,000 times faster. I almost turned it on. I don't want to turn this on yet. It is at least 1,000 times faster than this, and it's actually even built a little bit better, so it wouldn't crack as easily. But again, also Siri's integrated into this as well, so she'll actually respond to you. So if you say, "Hey Siri," it won't just type things, it'll actually respond to you like it does on the iPhone and iPad and everything else, which is very helpful because I'm always using Siri, and that'll just, it's just fantastic. There's some dust on there. Oh my god, goodness gracious, this thing looks absolutely stunning. I'm gonna get some close-ups for you guys. So this looks gorgeous. I'm not gonna try this on yet because I need to let this sink in for a minute. But yes, I know there's a million unboxings of these on YouTube, but I said to make another one just because it's me. What do you expect? Again, dual core processor, a lot faster, a lot more brighter, a lot more efficient. This is just the GPS version. Again, I have some availability away from my phone, but not a whole lot. But I don't really need to be spending the extra money a month for cellular, but this is fine just the way it is. I'm freaking out. I'm gonna go set this up and try it out. You'll be seeing a lot more of this on Twitter, Instagram, and everything else I use for social media. But yes, it's finally mine. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be getting more into Apple technology this year because Apple's releasing their newer iPhones this year, 3 models. I'm not gonna get into it because I can talk about it for hours. But yes, I'm a biggest Apple fanboy you would ever meet in your entire life. Believe it, alright? Just believe it. So anyways, you guys, yes. Thank you for coming by and checking out this video and all the other videos. Yeah, subscribe for more. I'll see you later.